BMEA stock analysis and BMEA stock prediction. In this brief short video, 1 minute video, I'm breaking down my exact play with Biomea Fusion. Ultimately, the 34% correction. This is quite heavy. Look, I mean, I'm not shilling here that I've made millions of dollars. I'm just showing you what's worked for me after 5 years and 42,000 videos and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. The last thing that I'll do is just immediately pop out here and tell you something to buy or sell even. My bias on this is that I'm taking it with a grain of salt. Not looking for a buy, especially since it's just melting down like this hard. So yeah, that's how it's looking like for me. Just a bearish bias, not selling whatsoever immediately. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month and want to stay tuned with this ticker, click the first link in the description and get my free mouse for free. Goodbye. And enjoy, it's free.